Working on a dishwasher. It'll fill with water and then it won't do anything. When I go into a service diagnostic mode, I can forward it to the pump to where to start the main pump, and when I test the voltage at the pump, which is, it's back here, and I tested it at this Molex connector and I got 0 volts. So I'm not just gonna replace the pump when I know it's not even getting voltage. So I've got this front panel off and I've got the control board here. I need to do some live tests on this control board to see if it's sending voltage to the pump. To do that, I need this door switch pushed in. And I just happen to have this latch right here. I got a spare one from a bad dishwasher. Looking at the diagram, we can see this is our controller and here is our wash pump. It shows a blue wire going from number 9. So I need to find number 9 on this control board and check voltage from 9 to neutral. And it doesn't matter which neutral because looks like all of these are in a series. And everything else is working on this dishwasher. So I don't think we're gonna have a problem with the neutral wire itself. I have the power off. I've got my red lead poked into the back of the blue Molex connector wire. That goes to the main wash pump. I've got my other lead poked into the back of the neutral, the main neutral that goes throughout the dishwasher. I've got my meter set to volts. And I've got my dishwasher latch right now is in the open position. Going to apply power to the dishwasher. Gonna enter service mode and then go to 14 heavy LED, which is turn on main pump. To get into the service mode, I need to hold down the delay button and the on-off button. And then I can go ahead and advance this to 14. And guys, I'm working with live voltage right here. This is not a how-to video. Don't try this at home. 14. Now for this to start, I need to engage this door switch. I need to make a connection. I've got an old bar off an old door switch. Just gonna push that in and watch the meter as I do this. Nothing. Not getting any volts from the control board. Control board is not telling the pump to come on. And with the control board out, I'm not that great at circuitry, but it looks like this 12 volt DC relay right here. There's a big burn mark on the back of the board. And there's some burning over here too. But that section of the board is working. Anyways, that's it for troubleshooting today. Thanks for watching.